YouTubers! Mike Martin's here with the Mike Martin's channel. I'm here with my lovely wife, Rosebud. Rose, how you doing?
Good.
So how do you like the washroom on our ensuite here?
Love it.
So here it is, guys. Tiling's done. Now, the plumber came in, and I want to show you guys the shower. I helped him install it because you needed two people to kind of plumb this in through different... Never mind. So there's a gauge there. There's a water. I'm gonna actually run this for you guys to show you guys how this thing runs. So you could set your, I think that's your temperature there. So you set your thing. We're not gonna put it on too strong so it doesn't splash everywhere. We don't have a shower curtain yet. So we got the tub going. Then that's the hand piece, right? For the hand. Right there. There's the head. There's the rain. That's a rain spout. Body. And the body goes stronger. It's just I have it on low. Lower. And then back to the hand spout. So that's what it looks like, guys. Yeah, this if we if we turn this up. Hold on. There it goes. It starts to go really strong. It hits the body really strong.
Good.
So I wanted to show that.
Well, this is not done yet.
Yeah, they plugged in the tub, but they got to get in through the back of it, so they got some work to do still this week, right? They're coming this week.
Yeah.
The motor. So, Rose...
I choose the light.
Yeah, you chose the light.
I choose this too.
Yeah, you chose the camera. It actually looks really good, the whole thing, yeah.
This one too, gonna be installed tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow they're going to do that. So, there it is, guys.
You're gonna have a bidet for your butt.
Bidet for the butt. Yeah, the bidet is important for the butt. But, yeah. So, I just wanted to think, yeah, and then they're going to finish the crown molding there. And there, that piece there. So
we don't have it from harder.
Yeah, so it's coming along, guys. Let me take a shot from here. So we're going to put up the... we got the shower curtain that comes out in a curve. So it gives it a little... You get more room inside. And this tub could easily... This 6-foot tub could easily fit 2 people. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So... There it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Toilet's in there. Everything's ready to go. Tomorrow, he promised he's going to come by. Do you think he's going to come by, babe?
Yeah, he will.
He said he will, but sometimes he doesn't come. So
I know. He gets so busy.
Yeah. So anyways, if you want to be a plumber, come to Merritt. There's lots of work. Anyways, there it is right there, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my shower. And my wife's here modeling it. Bye. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon. Bye.